We will explore how artificial intelligence is solving math problems once called impossible. Our lesson will explore heuristic search, symbolic regression, and modern proof assistance. Historically, intractable problems require too many steps for humans or computers to finish in a useful time. First, heuristic search uses smart shortcuts to find a good solution without testing every possibility. Think of heuristic search as a guided approach that prioritizes promising paths instead of brute force checking everything. Building on that, symbolic regression uses AI to discover the underlying mathematical equations from raw data points. It constructs the simplest equation that precisely matches the complex relationships observed in the data. Next, modern proof assistants verify the logical correctness of extremely long and complicated mathematical proofs. These programs check every single step of a proof with perfect mathematical rigor, eliminating human error. Let's see this in action by finding the best route for a delivery truck visiting 100 locations. Heuristic search quickly finds a near-perfect route, avoiding trillions of poor, inefficient options immediately. Symbolic regression could then find the exact cost formula governing overall route efficiency based on speed limits and traffic. Think about how a proof assistant confirms that this AI-generated route is mathematically proven to be the optimal path. We saw that heuristic search, symbolic regression, and proof assistants transform hard math problems into solvable steps. AI is rapidly accelerating the pace of mathematical discovery, expanding the boundaries of human knowledge. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.